Good evening, everybody, and how are you? My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. It's that time again to build my Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So it's the 1st of March and it's that time. So for those of you who don't know, I'll give a quick little summary. So the Boxycharm by Ipsy is the second tier box from the Ipsy subscription service, and this box has 5 full-sized items, of which 2 items are picked by Ipsy. They call those the power picks, and then 3 items you pick yourself. So I am looking forward to this. This box costs, how much does this box cost? This box costs $30 in total, which is about £25, £26 sort of UK sterling. All right, so I'm really looking forward to this. Let's go. So we've got the first thing they're telling us is the Beauty Boost, which is something that I do. It's an additional $15, but it's going to be an item that is worth at least $40. So this here is the default item for the March Beauty Boost. So it's from Ole Henriksen, and it's a Dewtopia 20% acid night cream. It's worth $60. I'm not sure about that as yet. I do like the Ole Henriksen range, but I'm not sure about that. So I'll come back to that one afterwards. Okay, so let's have a look. So the first 2 items. So the first item that has been picked for me is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Well, okay, that's something I personally won't use, but, you know, it's all good because I know it's worth a fair amount, and I'll probably put that on eBay and sell it. I'll be honest, that's what I'll probably do. The second item is from Wonder Beauty, and it's the Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. Now, Wonder Beauty is a brand that I know a lot of people really like. Their eyeshadows are a really nice formula. They're sort of soft and creamy. The colours go on really well. I tend to not really go for the Wonder Beauty eyeshadow palettes because the colours tend to be quite pale and light, and I like my colours to be, you know, I like colour, basically. These tend to be quite neutral. But saying that, this does look a little bit more interesting than normal. So I might end up keeping this eyeshadow palette. But let's see. So those are my first 2 items that have been picked for me by Ipsy. Not bad. Not a bad start at all. But this is the exciting bit. It's me picking my 3 items. So let's go. Okay, right, so choose your first item. So we've got a choice of Dominique Cosmetics Brow Frame Pencil in Cool Deep Brown. That's a definite no, because I already know that cool means grey. Not interested. The second item is Everdeen SPF 50 Premium Mineral Sunscreen. Not really interested in that. Third is Slim Miss Glam, or is it SL Miss Glam? Green to Trio brush set. They look pretty enough, but do I really want that? Then we've got Dew of the Gods, Amati Gold Hair Serum. Dew of the Gods, I don't really want anything from that. Then we've got Kira Moon Flower Melon Hydrating Serum. Oh, God, my first choices aren't fantastic, are they? And the next one is Sonar Skincare Vitality Nourishing Facial Oil. Oh, blimey, I'm not interested in any of these items, to be honest. The Kira Moon, I just received the, what was it? Was it a cleanser? Yeah, it was a cleanser from the Kira Moon, and that I got that in my Boxycharm box for February, and my daughter's nabbed that. That's gone, not to be seen again. Yeah, she's taken that already. Dew of the Gods Amalfi Gold Hair Serum. I'm not that fond of Dew of the Gods as a brand, but I'm going to have a look and see what this is all about. Okay, so it's worth $30. Hair serum. This Lux oil is basically hair gold. It's formulated with both olive and argan oils to help provide your strands with a natural shine while also offering protection. I don't really need any of that. Okay, that's a no for me. I know I don't want the brow pencil because I've picked up a couple of brow pencils in add-ons in February, so I don't really want that. And cool, as I said, tends to be a little bit on the grey undertone for me, so don't want that. Oh God, am I going to be getting flipping mineral sunscreen, SPF 50? This isn't your average sunscreen. It's got the superpower trio you've been waiting for. It features sheer tech zinc. All I want to know is, has it got that grey undertone? And I noticed they're not saying anything about the sort of grey cast, white cast. So because of that, I'm not getting that, because the fact they haven't mentioned it means that it probably has. Brushes. Don't really want any more brushes. So what have we got here? $45. Things with the Slim Miss Glam brush sets, they are pretty. They are nice brush sets, but I think they're very overpriced. Right, $45. Yeah, that's what I mean. For 3 brushes, they're not Sigma quality. Makeup brush set. Treat yourself to this sweet trio of essential makeup brushes that sparkle in design and performance. Each of the eye blush and bronzer brushes features super soft vegan and cruelty-free bristles. So we've got an eye blending brush, you got a blusher brush, and you got a contour brush. Oh, blimey. This happens every bloody month. And then we've got the Flower Melon Hydrating Serum. $36. Lightweight, oil-free, okay, is like a big gulp of water for your skin, helping to minimise redness and fine lines. Well, redness, they're assuming that you're fair skin, you're white, and I ain't that. And I haven't got any fine lines. Giving you that youthful bounce you've been dreaming of. You know what, I don't know what to go for here. I'm going to leave this first option alone. Chances are I'm going to end up going for the brushes, but let me go on to option 2. Option 2, Ace Beauty Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow. Let's have a look at that colour. It's an unusual colour. It looks like a sort of a deep reddish kind of colour, maybe? Not sure. Oh, it's purple liquid eyeshadow. Exactly what your makeup routine has been missing. Okay, that's a possibility. Next is from Kate Somerville, Eradicate Acne Treatment. I haven't got acne. Next is Galactic Fruit Superfood Scrub. No, I don't want that. Ace Beauty again, liquid eyeshadow. So it's another colour in Stellar Dusk. This always happens. The month after Icon Box is always disappointing. Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. I've already got this. I got that already. Blimey. I think I'm going to go for the purple eyeshadow on that one. I'm not impressed with these choices this month, I must admit. Choice 3, Mud Mask, Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. We've got sponges. We've got lip butter in toast. Shayna B Miami, Flame Girl liquid highlighter. I don't want any highlighters. Infinity liquid eyeliner. Oh man, Advanced Skincare Hydra Bright Collagen Eye. You know what? I'm going to end up getting these eye restoring pads. I'm going to end up getting these masks, eye masks. Let's have another look again. And this lip butter. Why would I want a lip butter in that colour? Alright, I'm getting the Hydra Bright Collagen Skincare Eye Mask thing. I am really flipping pissed off here with these choices. I'm going to get the brushes for the first choice. Wow, I can't believe how disappointed I am in these choices, but this is typical month after Icon Box. Okay, let's go to the Beauty Booth, see if I can cheer myself up. So let's unpick the default one. So the other ones are Rodana Hyaluronic Tan Drops. Well, I don't need that. Then we've got Lost Treasure Apple Cider Vinegar Cleansing Rinse. We've got a Leave-In Milk from Drunk Elephant. I've got this already and it's actually really nice. And Skin & Co Aroma Silicone Light Serum. Sauna Spa Facial Steamer. Now, facial steamer. I tell you what, I wonder if I can use this on my hair. Facial steamer, introducing the ultimate sidekick for a relaxing spa night. I'm just wondering if this could be used if I turned it round and used it on my hair. But I suppose the steam sort of spurts out, doesn't it, forwards. How would I use this on my back? I can't see how I could use this on my hair. Fill with distilled water or purified water to the max water line. Turn on and place your face about 8 inches away. Yeah, does it say you can use it for your hair? No, it is just for your face. Right, okay. What am I thinking? Drunk elephant leave-in mask. It's only $32. So the whole idea of the beauty boost is that it's supposed to be worth at least $40. Right, let's have a look at this night treatment then. This powerful blend of acids, AHAs and PHAs, does all the hard work while you sleep to help you wake up with a brighter, smoother complexion. Plus, the light lemon-scented serum also helps replenish and hydrate skin with ingredients like aloe juice and cotton water. What the hell's cotton water? All right, I'm going to get this. Yeah, I'm going to get that one. Okay, that's my choices. Right. For once, I'm not happy about my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Really am not. So my choices are LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream thing. We've got the Wonder Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. We've got the Beauty Boost, the Olay Henriksen Night Treatment Serum. We've got the SL Miss Glam Brushes. We've got the liquid eyeshadow, and we've got the eye mask. All right, that's my choices, guys. Can you tell I'm not that impressed? Oh Lord, oh dear. Okay, confirm. It is confirmed. Guys, I'll see you soon. Next video coming up is my icon box. All right, catch you all later. Take care. Bye.